Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Experian app for identity and credit monitoring step by step clearly. Begin by unlocking your smartphone or tablet. Locate the App Store if you are using an iPhone or iPad. If you are using an Android device, find the Google Play Store. Tap on the App Store icon to open it. In the search bar at the top, type Experian. Press the search button to see the results. Look for the Experian app in the list that appears. Ensure it is the official app, which usually has the Experian logo. Once you find the app, tap on it to open the app details page. Review the app description and ratings to confirm it's what you need. If you're ready, look for the Get button on iOS or the Install button on Android. Tap the button to start the download process. If prompted, enter your Apple ID or Google account credentials. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the Experian app icon on your home screen. Tap the icon to open the app for the first time. Follow any on-screen prompts to set up your account. You may need to provide personal information for identity verification. After setting up your account, explore the features offered by the app. You're now ready to use the Experian app for identity and credit monitoring. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.